Hello all, hope you all are doing well. Here again I am with the solution of another word problem of linear equation of class 8. Okay, so in this word problem you have to find three consecutive even numbers. Okay, I forgot to write even here. Even numbers whose sum is 234. Okay, first of all we'll understand what are even numbers. Even numbers are those which are divisible by 2. Okay, or you can say they are the multiples of 2, like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 18. Okay, all these numbers are divisible by 2. So we have to find three consecutive. Now what this word consecutive means? Consecutive means लगातार. Okay, लगातार हमको तीन even numbers खोजने हैं जो लगातार आते हैं और उनका sum is given 234. Okay, so we have to find what are these consecutive even numbers. So we understood the meaning of even numbers. What are consecutive numbers? You understood, I hope. Now, how to form the equation? First, what we are going to consider. Okay. So in this, as this is given that this number should be even. Okay. So what we'll assume? Let the first even number be 2x. Why 2x? As it is a multiple of 2, or you can say that these are the numbers which are divisible by 2. So we have to take 2x. Okay. Now children, as these are the even numbers, है ना, जो 2 से divide होते हैं या 2 के टेबल में आते हैं या 2 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. ओके, सो हमको क्या ऐड करना है? वी हैव टू ऐड 2 to this consecutive even numbers. जैसे 2 में हमने 2 ऐड कर दिया तो 4 आ गया, 4 में 2 ऐड किया तो 6 आया, है ना. ओके, सो लाइकवाइज 2 4 6 आर द consecutive even numbers. ओके, क्योंकि ये लगातार आ रहे हैं. 3 5 these are odd numbers. They are not divisible by 2 or they are not the multiples of 2. Okay, so the first even number is 2x. So and second number will be then second even number be 2x plus 2. You have to add 2 here. Okay, then the third number will be then third even number will be 2x plus 2, है ना. इसमें 2 already added plus 2. We have to add 1 2 more. Okay, so it will be 2x plus 4. So the consecutive even numbers are 2x, 2x plus 2 and 2x plus 4. Now the condition is given, their sum is 234. According to the question, this sum of this three even numbers is equal to 234. Okay. You can write it in the bracket. Okay, is equal to 234. Okay. Now what we have to do? We can add the like terms. Like terms means those. This terms 2x, 2x and 2x. These are like terms and others are constant. Okay. This like terms we can add by, because they have the variable x here. So 2x plus 2x plus 2x is this 6x plus, okay, now 2 plus 4, it is 6 equals 234. Now plus 6 will go this side. 234 minus 6, it will be 228. Okay, 228. Now we have to find the value of x first in order to get this even numbers. So 6 is multiplied here. When you are going to side transfer, it will be dividing this 228. Okay, so we will see that this will go by. Okay, so it is 6 3s are 18 and this is 3 6 4 8s are 48. So the value of x is 38. Okay, now we can easily get the even numbers by putting the value of x here. So the first, I'm writing it here, the first even number is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 38, that is 76. Okay, now either you can just put the value in this equation and can find out, or you can simply add 2, because we need consecutive, so we will be adding 2 to each of these numbers. Like first, second even number will be, okay, either you can write 2x plus 2, that is 76 plus 2, that is 78. Okay, and then the third will be 78 plus 2, that is 80. So this 76, 78 and 80 is the 3 consecutive even numbers. Okay, so children, hope you understood the explanation, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then kindly do the same and refer my channel to more and more people and ask them to subscribe as well. Thank you.